Most people think ito ay just a cool piece of vintage item. Pero wala silang idea na emit radiation right now. So today, mag-heading tayo sa Antique Mall. Yung mission ay simple. Find as many mga radioactive items dun sa shop. At let's see what we'll find. So let's go. Ini-scan ko everything. Hindi mo malalaman what it could be. Baka uranium glass, radium clocks, or even mga unusual radioactive items. Itong orange plate contains uranium oxide sa kanilang glaze, which gives them itong vibrant orange color, around 38,000 counts per minute. As nakikita natin sa tag, Metlocks Pottery, itong famous California pottery manufacturer sa Manhattan Beach, ginawa tong pieces. Mga plates like these ay popular sa mga 1930s hanggang 40s. While hindi ito ay safe para mag-eat off them, ito ay perfectly safe to handle at fun to collect. Nakapag-found another one at appears to be Bauer Pottery, Los Angeles. Natatel ko from it kasi nakikita ko to so many of these plates ay by yung rings the plate. Underneath, nakikita mo yung 3 iconic dots stamped underneath, which nakakapag-indicate ng firing process, at many mga Bauer plates have them. So ito good identification. Looks like ito yung parang uranium glass. I-check natin. It appears hindi sila radioactive. Sila ay jadeite glass, which closely resembles jadeite uranium glass sa kanilang bold green opaque appearance. Yung only way para identify sila ay gagamit ka ng UV light at Geiger counter. Nakapag-encounter ako ng similar items sa past at sila ay indeed radioactive. At ito ay pretty cool to find a piece at the shop. Mga 2 jadeite uranium glass balls. Mga pretty cool finds at one of mga most unusual radioactive items na come-across ko sa shop na ito. Ito ay green vase, hindi nagre-resemble uranium glass, pero regular vase may kasamang green uranium glaze. Yung tag reads Metlocks Pottery. Nakapag-search ako online for any information about this, pero hindi makapag-find any. Ito ay possible yung mga owners mistaken ito sa Metlocks Pottery or it could be a rare piece. So ito ay pretty cool find. Now this one ay pretty cool find of the day. Ito ay piece ng radioactive pottery na nakakapag-resemble small Scotty dog. Ito mga cool collectibles na nakakapag-contain small amounts ng uranium oxide. Binibigyan itong pale white color. Pag na-enjoy mo itong video, please give it mo ng thumbs up at subscribe sa aking channel. Pwede mo also follow aking Instagram account too. Yung support means a lot to me. Salamat sa papanood at kita-kita sa next video.